Namaskar and welcome back to Bengal's Kitchen. So today I am going to share a very interesting recipe to celebrate the Bengali New Year, which is known as Novoborsho in Bengal. Just before we start, let me tell you, my name is Ronak and I come up with new recipes every week. So if you are watching this video for the first time, please go ahead and subscribe this channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss out on any videos that we upload in our channel. The first thing that comes in our mind about Bengal is sweet. So this new year we'll start with a Bengali traditional dessert recipe, payesh. Hold on, in Bengal's Kitchen we always experiment with recipes. So in this video we'll show you another 3 types of payesh along with the traditional one. So please do watch this video till the end without skipping and let me know in the comment section what type of payesh you are going to make to celebrate your Novoborsho. We'll see you at the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do so, please give us a thumbs up and do let me know what type of pies you like the most. And if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe it right now and hit the bell icon to get the instant notification. We'll see you in the next video with a new recipe. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye, take care.